Hello everybody and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily enable and manage RAM Plus on Samsung Galaxy A36. So first let's talk about RAM Plus because that's a cool feature, and what it does is basically uses your free storage as a virtual RAM expansion. RAM expansion is very important if you want the best performance for your phone. So you can add more gigabytes of RAM and that means your performance will increase, but so can overheating issues come up with it. So do it at your own risk and remember to do it safely. So first let's head over to settings. Now scroll down until you see device care. Now here what you need to do is click on memory, and the first thing that you need to do is clean up the RAM that is already been used. So as you guys can see, now here we have the RAM Plus at the bottom, and what we can do with it is open it, and here we can enable it. As you guys can see, here is a definition that it uses our phone's storage space to provide virtual memory. So we can choose the virtual memory and it will allow more apps to stay open in the background. Now of course you can choose less to keep more storage on your phone, so do it carefully. And if we enable it, here we can choose how much virtual memory we can use. So I'm going to select 8 gigabytes because I have a lot of free space. Now I'm going to click OK. And here what we need to do is restart our phone. So let it restart and we'll get back to it once it turns back on. So as you guys can see, our phone is now back from the restart. So we're gonna try and open it. As you guys can see, it's a bit laggy now because everything has to turn on. And now let's head over to settings and check if our RAM Plus is working. So we're gonna go back to device care. Now head over to memory. And now what we can do is scroll down, and as you guys can see, the RAM Plus is enabled and it's set at 8 gigabytes. And so that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell icon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.